Hello, and welcome to TekBoost TV. I'm Jaime, and today I'm going to show you how to install both powered and non-powered video cards into the Dell T5500 Workstation. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer and ensuring the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you may need a Phillips head screwdriver. Please check out the quick spec link in the description below to learn more about video card compatibility for the T5500. Also check the manufacturer's system manual and comply with their recommended safety instructions. To begin, ensure your computer is powered off and the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the light shuts off to ensure there is no residual power remaining. To open the system, slide the top latch back and the panel will pop out. Remove the panel and set the system on its side to have better access to the interior. Swing the hard drive tray out and leave it in this position. Release the slot cover retainer by pinching the locking mechanism and pulling it back. Remove the needed slot cover or covers and prepare your card for install into one of the full-length PCIe slots. Press firmly down to ensure even alignment and a proper install. Some cards require power. Connect a 6-pin power adapter as needed. Larger video cards can use the mounting bracket. In order to install the bracket, connect it to the end of the video card as shown. Ensure the thumb screws tighten all the way. Once mounted together, install according to the previous instructions, but ensure you also align the bracket with the bracket slot in the computer system. When you are done, replace the slot cover retainer, hard drive tray, and outer panel. Please check out our how-to videos covering processor, memory, and other component installation for this and other systems. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We welcome suggestions on how to make these more useful, so please don't be shy with requesting additional content.